I am done with life. I give up. These sentences would have at least thought by every person out there who wants to become successful, who wants to achieve something in their life, who wants to make their name something in this world. But sometimes we think that life is worthless. There is no use of the hard work which I am putting in. There is nobody to help me because everybody thinks I am worthless. Everybody thinks that I am not at all a use for anything in this world. But why do we think this? Is it because these all things come from us? Is it because we ourselves think these things? No. These all things comes from those people who inserts these kind of thing in our brain that you cannot do this. This is not a thing for you. No, this is not at all a thing which you can do in your life. Because they think that they don't want us to achieve anything in our life. I just want to tell that if you ever feel these kind of things, just think that why did you start? Why did you start and why did you start the journey to become this, to become where you are? And why do you want to give up? Why do you want to come down from that stage and go back to the same level? Just think why did you start, and that will boost you in going more further way. We say that life is hard, man, I cannot take this anymore. I just want to do something to get away from this. But if the life is not hard, then what is the enjoyment of living in this world? If life is hard, if everybody thinks that this life is so hard to live, then if you don't hard work, if you don't work for it, then what is the thing which makes you different? The hard work and the improvement which you show, that is the one which makes you different. If life is so easy, then everybody would have been successful. Everybody would have everything in this world. Everybody would have been achieved something in their life. But they don't, because the successful people are only those people who hard work, who give 100% of themselves. And we normally say that failure is a stepping stone to success and failure is a basic thing where you can achieve success. But I think no, that is not the thing. Just simply failing and that won't make you success. The process which you make in that failure, the process which you make to come out of that failure and achieve this success, that path is the one which tells you that you are succeeded in your life. That is the path which tells you that yes, you have done something in your life. Live today like there is no tomorrow. Work hard for your goal today itself, that today is going to be the end of the world and you won't be able to see tomorrow. And stop thinking about your weakness and stop being sad for the things which you don't have. Start building yourself with the things which you have and never stop learning. This learning process will keep you motivated until the day you die, because when you keep on learning, that will help you in moving forward in your life. And also, if you don't have any goal, then I would say that just start now, go research, find it and start today itself. Because if you don't start today, then you will regret it later. You will think that I should have started in the beginning, then at least I would have been someone today. That is what every people would have. Just don't feel this regret at any point of time. And also, just start before it's too late, and whatever negative you feel in your life, just think of the process or the way where you can make it positive. So I would just say that start before it's too late, and every pro was once a beginner. So just don't hesitate to start, because when you hesitate that in the first place, you will be never able to improve yourself till the end. We live only once, right? Just like that, we die also only once. Make sure that when you die with memories, but not with regrets and dreams which you wanted to pursue in your life. And often we compare our weakness to other people's strength. We see our friends and colleagues and we think that he became a successful man in his life and he has some purpose in his life, and why can't I achieve the same thing? That's because we feel ourselves and we keep ourselves in a comfort zone. That comfort zone, you continue to stay there and you think that I am fit here and I don't want to move any further. That is the thing that you have to break. Break that comfort zone, come out of it, hard work. You can achieve anything. And also, every master was once a disaster. From that disaster, he improved him to be a master. And just be a self-pusher, man. Because in this life, nobody is going to come to you and tell you that you have to do this. This is the right path. Do this, pursue this, take this. Nobody is going to help you. Because this is your life and you are the only one who can achieve it. You are the only one who can believe in yourself. Others can't do that. Just have that self-faith and just think what is your goal and keep on moving forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, I'm sure that at least 0.00001% it would have been helpful. Thank you so much for watching. You came to the end of the video. Thank you so much. Just tell me how you feel about this video in the comment section. What all suggestions you want to give regarding this video. Thank you so much. Until the next video.